Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 25th of August 2024 and I'll be going over my weekly review of the SPY front testing strategy, which is based on the days open versus previous day close. So with that out of the way, we can see that for the 19th we had a buy signal which we made a profit of $9,198.8 or 0.876%. On the 20th, we had a sell signal where we made a much smaller profit of $848.7 or 0.078%. On the 21st, we had another buy signal where we made another small profit of 1,602.25%, and our portfolio return was 0.15% for that day. Next, we had a huge loss of 1.126% since we had a loss of $11,912.86 off of a buy signal. And the last day of the week, we had a buy signal where we made a profit of $4,856.8, and that was a 0.462% profit. So we started the week at 4.954% and ended it at 5.394%. So overall, it was a profitable week. However, our alpha went from minus 10.544% to minus 11.52%, which has made it even worse. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.